Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create music using Google Gemini. Gemini now includes AI music generation using Google DeepMind's Lyria models. So you can describe the kind of music you want and let Gemini generate it for you. Google says Gemini can create music from text, photos or videos, and the music can include lyrics as well. So let us see the complete process step by step. First, open Google Gemini in your browser. Once Gemini opens, go to the prompt box at the bottom. Now click the plus icon near the prompt box. From the available options, select Create Music. Once you select it, you can see that music mode is enabled. You may also see different ready-made music styles or templates on the screen. But for this demo, I am going to create the music using my own prompt. Let us start with the first prompt. I will enter this. Create an uplifting cinematic instrumental track for a technology YouTuber video. Use soft piano, modern electronic beats, and inspiring background music. Make it energetic but not distracting. Now let us send the prompt. Gemini starts generating the track. This can take a little time, so while Gemini is creating the music, let us understand what we included in the prompt. We clearly mentioned the purpose, which is a technology YouTube video. We also mentioned the mood, the instruments, and the overall style. This gives Gemini much better direction compared to a simple prompt like create some music. Now the track is ready. By default, Gemini has created a short 30-second music track. Let us listen to it. That sounds awesome. You can hear the cinematic feel, the soft piano, and the electronic background working together. For a YouTube intro, background section or short promotional clip, this kind of track can be very useful. Now instead of stopping with one result, let us generate a completely different style using a second prompt. This time, let us create something more relaxing. I will enter this prompt. Create a peaceful, relaxing instrumental track for studying and focus. Use soft piano, acoustic guitar, gentle ambient sounds, and a calm, positive mood. Keep it smooth and minimal. Now let us send the second prompt. Again, Gemini starts generating another 30-second track. While it is processing, notice how different this prompt is from the first one. The first track was energetic and cinematic. The second one is calm and designed for studying and focus. So by simply changing the words in the prompt, we can completely change the type of music Gemini creates. Now the second track is ready. Let us listen to this one as well. This one also sounds really good. It has a much softer and more relaxing feel, and it would work nicely for study videos, educational content, or calm background music. So these two examples clearly show how flexible Gemini music generation can be. You can create cinematic music, relaxing music, pop, folk, retro, electronic, romantic, or many other styles just by describing what you want. The important thing is to make your prompt specific. Mention the purpose of the music. Mention the mood. Mention the instruments and mention the style you want. So let us quickly recap. Open Google Gemini, click the plus icon, select Create Music. Enter a detailed music prompt. Wait for Gemini to generate the 30-second track. Listen to the result. Then try another prompt with a different mood or a style. This is a simple and fun way to create original music ideas directly inside Google Gemini. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.